Good morning, fourth grade scientists. This week we are going to talk about our last two human body systems. They are the integumentary system. I'll say that again a little bit slower and then you can repeat after me at home. Integumentary system. Okay, that means the skin system and our hair and nails. We also have the musculoskeletal system, which we did talk about before, but I want to review it one more time. First, we're going to talk about the integumentary system, which is the system that is our protector. Now, we talked last week about the immune system, which is the system that is like our soldiers, our warriors, and they fight for us. But the integumentary system is different. It is a protector. It is like a shield. So it stops any of the bacteria and viruses from getting into our body in the first place. This system is why we wash our hands so much right now, because maybe when we are outside in shops, we touch something where there is a virus, and our hands will not let the virus into our bodies. But if we touch our face maybe with hands that are dirty, then we can let the virus in. So we must wash our hands so that the virus can go away, and the soap will kill the virus. If you have some sort of cut or other injury where you are bleeding means that the red stuff, the blood inside your body is coming out. If you have some sort of cut, we put a Band-Aid or a plaster on it, and that helps to protect also. Because if you have a cut, that means viruses and things can still get in. Even though our hands normally stop it, the cut means that it could get in through the cut. So we must cover it with a plaster, and that's why we use plasters. The organs in this system are the skin, the nails, and the hair. And it might be a little bit strange to call our hair an organ. Normally you hear organ and you think of something inside your body, and maybe you think of something that is gross or something like this. But really, if you remember how we talked about the parts of the body, we have cells, which are the smallest parts of our body. Cells together make tissues, and tissues together make organs. So here's a picture of our hair cells, so you can see what it looks like, so you can see that hair really is an organ. The skin protects us to keep the virus and bacteria from getting in, but our hair also helps to protect our body because our hair keeps us warm when we are cold. When we have hair on our body, it acts like a warm blanket that we can take anywhere with us when we are outside, and it helps to keep us warm, just like a blanket helps to keep you warm inside your house. Our nails help to protect our fingers because we use our hands and our fingers for so many things, and the nails help to keep the end of your finger straight so it does not get squished. So all of this typing that we are doing, sending emails to each other and writing things on Microsoft Word, our nails make sure that our fingers don't get all squished at the end. Yeah, so they help to protect our fingers so that we can stay straight. If you look at your dog or your cat, you will see that their claws start at the end of their finger and they come out like this because they don't need the protection that we do on our fingers. They start maybe a little bit back, maybe just a little bit, but it doesn't start as far back inside as ours do. That is everything about the integumentary system. Now we're going to talk very quickly about the musculoskeletal system, because this system is going to be very easy to talk about. Our musculoskeletal system is a system that gives our body shape and helps us to move, and also controls some parts of our body, kind of. So the musculoskeletal system, without our skeleton, our bones, we would just be a blob on the ground. Yeah, if you've seen Harry Potter, the movie number 2, when he loses the bones in his hand and he can bend back his hand, I'll put the picture of that here. That's what it looks like without bones in the arm, imagine if our whole body didn't have bones. Ugh. Our muscles control the ways our body moves. So the brain, we talked about being the message center, the control center when we are texting. The brain tells our body to move, but the muscles are the things that actually move our body. Some muscles we have to think about moving, and that would be the muscles that we use when we walk, when we talk, when we move our hands. We think about moving these ones. But the other muscles, like the heart is a muscle, your stomach is a muscle, your lungs are muscles. They move by themselves because your brain is always working and always telling them what to do, but you don't need to stop and think, okay, now it's time to breathe. You just do it. So this is the end of our review of the human body systems. Your homework, of course, is going to be to draw the diagrams like we have been doing for the last couple weeks. Write me 2 facts of the integumentary system and the musculoskeletal system, and you can send it to me through email. And next week we will start a new unit, so get ready for that. Have a great week, and I will see you guys in our online classes. Goodbye.